Hey guys, welcome back with another stunning video. Guys, in this video, we will discover how can you change your icon size in your iPhone or iPad in iOS 18. So simply, you can do it very easily. So first of all, guys, you may just open the settings and guys, first of all, you may click here on General and guys, click here on About and you will make sure that you have latest iOS 18 version. So if you have not iOS 18 version, then you may click here on Software Update and update your iPhone or iPad to the latest iOS 18 version. After this, you may go back and you may just click here and hold on any empty space of your home screen. So click here and now guys, you may click here on edit and click here on customize, and here you may see that here is the option of large small. So you may check guys, your fonts will be, when I click on small, these will be changed to small, and when I click on large, these will be change to large. And now you can change your fonts by this method easily. So by all these methods guys, you can fix it very easily. So this is the video guys. For more videos, please subscribe our channel.